little blue truck. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road, beep said blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when little blue truck went rolling by. Ba said the sheep, moo said the cow, oink said the piggy, beep said blue. Neigh said the horse, quack said the duck, beep said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck coming through. I've got important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Room went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck. With his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and the mire. Honk said the dump and he sounded scared, but nobody heard and nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little blue pushed with all his might. Now little blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. The goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head, rump to rump, they all pushed blue, and he pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the dump was free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, 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 beep.